Hello everyone. Welcome to Innovative Science Activities using Laboxd Science Kit. Today's activity is electroplating effect. Electroplating is basically the process of plating a metal onto the other metal by electrolysis process. This is normally done to prevent corrosion of metal or for decorative purposes. In this process, electricity is passed through a suitable electrolyte using proper metal. The metal atoms move through the electrolyte from anode to cathode as ions and deposit at the cathode. The required article is connected to the cathode. This process is known as electroplating. The activity packet contains the procedure sheet, a board, a battery, battery clip with connecting wires, a copper plate, copper sulfate salt, iron nail. Take the beaker and add some copper sulfate salt into the beaker. Take the circular board, insert the copper plate through the circular board. Now attach the iron nail to the board. The copper plate should be attached to the anode and the iron nail should be attached to the cathode. Now add some water to the beaker. Stir and dissolve the copper sulfate and prepare the solution of copper sulfate. Connect the wire to the battery. Now, connect the copper plate to the anode or the positive terminal and connect the iron nail to the cathode or the negative terminal. Now, let us observe the iron nail. We can see that iron nail is slowly covered with copper metal. This is because copper atoms move from anode to cathode through the solution. Copper atoms cover the iron nail. This process is known as electroplating. Observe the nail. We can see the electroplating effect. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.